If you need help with builds or inspiration, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you 3 build hacks for your Minecraft builds. Let's dive in. Hi, my name is AthenaCat538 and today I will be showing you 3 build hacks of mine. The first one is a chair which you can sit in. Enjoy. Now this second one is a stage with banners as speakers and a microphone. This last one here is a nature slide. It's kind of weird. It's my own invention and, well, it actually works. Alright, that's it for today. This is my first video, so please hit the subscribe button, leave a like or drop a comment. Until next time.